Grade 12, so I've prepared this blank sheet of paper with a border and a title bar, and you will find I will have to write my name in the title bar. It's a site plan which I'm going to draw. The instruction number is 5.2 in my EGD pact, and then my scale, very importantly, is 1:500. So basically I'm referring to this specific drawing that you have over here, which I'm going to zoom in. So basically what you need to do is you need to take this entire drawing, which is the site plan, and draw it over onto this blank sheet of paper that you will see here. Please make sure that you take all the dimensions that you will see here, except the ones that indicate the contour lines. Those dimensions remain as is, as labels. All other dimensions like the stand size must be divided by 500 to be able to get that scale drawing onto this particular white page. So for example, you will take 115,000 and you divide that by 500, it's going to give you 230 millimeters on your ruler, which is basically going to give you that length over there, which is going to fit perfectly on your page. And you will have a width of 80,000 meters divided by 500, and that's going to give you 160, which is your width. And you're going to work within that space. Everything that you basically see here on this drawing has to be converted and transferred over onto this blank sheet of paper. The trees, the lengths of the boundary, the corner heights, the sewer line, the depth indicated on there, the driveway which is existing, all the information must be transferred over. Please label it in your title bar as I've done at the start. But what is very important is now, once you've completed this, is to add your building in this space over here between the sewer line and this building line that you will see here. So in this space here, preferably here where it's in between the trees, because you can't remove the trees. So what you need to do is you need to go back to your actual drawing which you have, which is this drawing over here, which is your final design, and you will have to look at your entire length, which is going to be 30 meters, which is from this start here right until the end of the building, which you will see here. That's 30 meters. But your actual building basically would be 11 meters and 11 meters, which is 22 meters. You will have to add your 8 meters for your deck. You look at your width as well, it is 9,000. So this 9,000 and the 30,000, which is your length and your width, both will have to be divided by 500, and that will scale it down to the size of your site plan. Just keep in mind that you have to draw on your site plan the building as a line diagram, as well as the deck which must be added to it. And you must take the design that you have developed further, which is your final design, and that is the design of the line diagram that will appear on your site plan. For example, you are going to add it right there, of which perhaps that would be your building there, and that is your deck, and you are going to indicate that there, that that's your deck and that's your building. And because it's a new development, you are going to color that in red as well. Alright, and that basically will allow you to connect to the sewer line. So you are going to ensure that you run your pipes to the sewer line here wherever your bathrooms are situated. Should your bathrooms be here, you run a sewer line there, and you can connect it with some rodding eyes and inspection eyes along the side, which you will have. Learners, observe very carefully how I convert this drawing and transfer this over to my drawing page which I have using my set squares and my T-squares.
oh,